If you have different countries or regions set in your account, you have the opportunity to change them. So go ahead and check the in-game notice section for details. The change option can vary depending on the update. So also remember that your in-game country or region and your Konami ID country or region is separate. You can change your Konami ID country or region once a year. You can change your in-game country or region after the newest version update. So when you enter the game after the update, a pop-up will appear asking you to select your country or region. And from there, you can easily go ahead and change it. Sometimes you can also go ahead and tap on user information, tap on user personal information, tap on country region of residence and go ahead and change it according to your preference. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.